Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we're talking about raita. If you've never heard of it, it's an Indian condiment made with yogurt and sometimes with beets, sometimes with onion. Together, it forms a nice dip to go with dishes, especially curry or spicy dishes. It acts as a neutralizer, a cooling condiment. So what resembles closely in the West would be like a dip. So I'll be showing you how to make the beetroot raita today. It is very tasty, very healthy, and good for you. Okay, let's get into cooking. Well, I hope you enjoyed the raita dish that I just showed you. Give it a try. Try it at home next time when you're having curry or spicy dish. Have this on the side and it will add a lot of flavor and it looks beautiful because of the beetroot being red mixed with the yogurt. It turns out this nice, beautiful pink color. So I think it's very pleasing to the eye and tasty. If you never tried, give it a try. Okay. Well, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button, comment below and let us know what you'd like to see on the show. Until next time, we'll talk to you again. Bye now.